Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to dropship on Etsy from AliExpress. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. If you're looking to start your own e-commerce business and leverage the popularity of Etsy's marketplace, dropshipping can be a great business model to consider. By partnering with AliExpress, a leading global retail platform, you can source product directly from suppliers and have them shipped to your customers without the need for inventory management. So let's get started. Now there are two problems that comes with this plan, which is using Etsy and AliExpress together in dropshipping. The first problem is that there is no direct communication or direct connection between Etsy and AliExpress, so there is an issue on how we will be able to dropship with these two platforms. Another issue is that Etsy is not very fond of dropshipping. So once they detect that you are trying to dropship on their platform, they're going to shut down or they're going to suspend your shop for trying to dropship on their platform. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you the way to dropship between Etsy and AliExpress and a tip or a trick to be able to at least not get suspended on Etsy. Now, to be able to connect AliExpress and Etsy, you're going to have to do things very manually. Since there is no direct connections, you won't have an easy time like with Shopify or other platforms out there that you can easily connect AliExpress to. With Etsy, it's not going to be easy. So to be able to sell on Etsy, you're going to have to look for products in AliExpress to sell first. Now, if you notice when exploring to Etsy, there are things that are usually handmade. The products being sold here are not mass production or like machine-made products. No, although there are some machine-made products, most of the products here are handmade. So we're going to look for handmade products in AliExpress. For example, you could search for handmade bracelet and you're going to search for a very good bracelet over here. You're going to look through the prices, the popularity, look for the sold over here like this one. This has been sold a lot. So we could use this as an example. We could open this later on. You could open it in a new tab over here so we can check it out later. And you could also look through the different items over here. Now, you're not limited to bracelet. I'm just using this as an example. You could go with necklace if you want. Necklace, just like that. Click on search and you will be able to see all the different necklaces over here that are handmade. For example, this one over here. And for example, we are going to choose this product and this product. Now, like I said earlier, everything would be very manual. So when you're adding products in Etsy, you're going to have to go to your shop manager. Now, right now, for me, I won't be able to show you the direct way in Etsy's side because my shop isn't really verified yet. I haven't connected my credit card, so I won't be able to show you the Etsy side, but I'm going to explain how you will be able to do this. Now, when other products in Etsy or any other e-commerce platform out there, it's the same process. You're going to have to add the title, the description of the product, the photos of the product, and like variants if that options are available. And basically, that's what you're going to look for: the title, description, and the photo. Now, you're going to go to AliExpress over here. For example, this one. You could copy this entire title over here, or you could recreate it, make it more creative, make it more presentable, shorter, and use good keywords that would attract customers to look for your product over here, like customizable or not rather customizable, handmade jewelry, and then have details of what type of jewelry over here. And these are the different photos of this specific image. To be honest, the photo or the product itself is good. So I think this will be a good product to sell because scanning through the options over here, there's a lot of customers reviews over here. The rating is 4.9, very high, and like the reviews and sold is a lot as well. So we think this is going to be a good deal. And as you can see, the pricing is very low as well. The good thing about AliExpress are the product pricing. It's very low compared to other platforms out there. So it's great partner for drop shipping. The only downside is it's going to take a lot of days for the product to actually arrive. It's going to take a while for them to ship out your product, because there are also a lot of people buying from AliExpress. So they have a very heavy traffic. That's the only downside with this. But you're going to have to copy everything. So you create your own title over here. You could go to the description of the specific product over here. Then you're going to copy literally the description over here. You're not going to change anything. Keeping the description as is very important, as you can see here. You can change some things over here. Like, for example, you can remove this courier information here so that they wouldn't know that this is coming from AliExpress. And you're going to have to scan it, make sure that everything is going to be safe so that they wouldn't know that you're trying to dropship in Etsy, because they're going to check your product as well. Etsy is going to check and like scan it and all of those stuff. Then you can remove and edit the description also if you would like. You could add more information or like description. It's completely up to you. Now, how will you able to download the images over here? Now, as you can see, we have this extensions over here that would allow me to download the main image, the description image, the variant image, all of the image that you are looking at right now. We could download this and upload it to Etsy very easily. Now you're going to need to use extension in your Chrome or your browser. You're going to search Ali Save extension. Then click on enter, and then you're going to see the Google over here. You're going to have to select the Google option over here to be safe, because the extensions in Google are more safer than the other platforms out there, the other websites. And as you can see, we have AliSave over here, which would allow us to download images and videos from AliExpress. And as you can see, you can simply download it by clicking this, or you can also see it over here. And after downloading it, like I said, go to Etsy, fill up your title, copy the description, and then you're just simply going to upload your photos over there. Now, once you have your product up on store and someone orders, now what do? You don't have a connection between AliExpress. So how will you be able to buy or do a drop shipping? Like I said earlier, everything is manual. You're going to have to get your customer's information from Etsy, go to AliExpress and order it from the specific shop right now over here. Going to click on buy now, enter the information of your customer, and you're simply going to give updates in Etsy over here, like we're sending your product, it's over here. Like, copy every update that you're seeing in AliExpress on Etsy itself also. And it's going to be manual, very hard rather. But I think with the amount of people using Etsy, it's going to be worth it, and you might have the chance to earn some money back. And that's it, guys. That's how you will be able to dropship between Etsy and AliExpress. Very manual, but has a high potential. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.